Hi everyone, today our topic is inventions and let's learn about it. Objectives. You will be able to know what inventions are, know some of the famous inventions and know its inventors. What is invention? Invention is the process of creating something that has never been made before. Inventions help us in our daily life. It has become an important and valuable resource. Telephone. Telephone is one of the inventions that has developed a lot today. It has turned into a smartphone according to the latest technology. It has helped people to communicate even if they are miles away. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. This is the first telephone that was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is a human transportation invention. It is used to transport people as well as goods. It is the fastest mode of transportation. It was invented by the Wright brothers. This was the first aeroplane that was invented by the Wright brothers. As you can see, it has developed a lot today. Television. Television is an entertaining invention. It is an electronic device for advertising, entertainment, news, and sports. It was invented by Charles Francis Jenkins and two others. This is the first television that was invented by Charles Francis Jenkins and the two others. It had a very small screen. Light bulb. It is one of the necessary need of everyday life. It is a human-made light-giving object. It was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. This was the first light bulb that was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Today we have more than one type of bulb such as LED, light emitting diode. Internet. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks to communicate between networks and devices. It is one of the top human-made resources used by the people. It was invented by Robert E. Kahn and Vint Cerf. Thank you for watching my video and please do subscribe my channel Educational Stars.